G'day devs, welcome to Blue Well. Today we are going to dive into the Unreal Engine editor. Subscribe if you want to catch more quick tips. This is the menu bar. In here you'll find options to be able to save and open levels, change between different viewports, select between a range of different tools, and access help and different tools documentation supporting the Unreal Engine editor. This is the main toolbar. This contains shortcuts for some of the most common tools in the editor, including the save button, make sure you do this all the time, the mode selection screen between the landscaping, foliage, mesh painting, modeling, they can all be found here. You can also add content really quickly with the content shortcut, including just basic actors or lights to the scene or generic shapes that you might want to add, 3D models. This shortcut will give you access to the level blueprint, which will be used to apply changes across the entire map. This button gives you access to the level sequence and the master sequence for cinematics. These are your play mode controls, so you can press play and it starts the game inside of the editor. This is the platforms menu. This contains a series of options you can use to configure, prepare and deploy your project to different platforms, such as desktop, mobile or consoles. This is the settings menu. This contains various settings for the Unreal editor, level editor viewport and game behavior. The level viewport is where your game world takes shape. While perspective view offers dynamic exploration, its advanced use involves setting up cinematic sequences. Orthographic view is great for getting a different perspective, either from the top, bottom, left or right. You can edit the level from a different viewpoint. This is the content drawer for quick access. One-click creation of blueprints or quickly dragging and dropping assets into the scene. The bottom toolbar contains the output log for debugging and performance analysis. Command console for advanced commands like AI toggling. Also found in this toolbar is the derived data tab and the source control tab. This is the outliner, your organization tool. It's like a list that shows all the things in your game, like characters, objects, or even entire sections. You can create, move, and delete stuff with it. You can also right-click for more options, like browsing to the asset or editing the blueprint. Now this is the details panel. This is for fine-tuning. Adjust the appearance of a collision settings of a static mesh, like making a box look shiny or controlling how it reacts to other objects. So you see in the big plant item we have here, you can access the static mesh, the materials, any components, and how they interact with the world. Another thing in this section that you'll be using a lot is the world settings. So the details is for the item details in the outliner, or the object details. And the world settings is for how the world looks and feels. That just about wraps up our quick tour of Unreal Engine's key features. If you enjoyed it, drop a like, subscribe or more, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial.